If you're looking for a cloud storage service with a strong privacy, large free storage, and secure file sharing, then you have probably heard about Mega. But is Mega actually the best cloud storage option in 2026? And is it worth using over Google Drive, Dropbox, or pCloud? In this video, I will quickly cover Mega's features, pricing, pros, cons, and who is it best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Mega? Mega is a cloud storage platform focused heavily on privacy and security. Unlike many competitors, Mega uses end to end encryption, meaning your files are encrypted before they leave your device. Even Mega itself cannot access your files. It's available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iPhone, web browsers. You can use it for storing files, backups, sharing documents, and even secure messaging. Main features. Number one, we have end to end encryption. This is Mega's biggest selling point. Your files are encrypted locally on your device before upload. That makes Mega one of the better choices for users who care about privacy and security. If privacy is your top priority, Mega is definitely stronger than services like Google Drive or OneDrive. Number two, generous free plan. Mega is well known for offering a large free storage plan compared to competitors. Many cloud storage services only offer around 5 to 15 gigabytes for free, while Mega gives users much more space to start with. That makes it great for students, casual users, or anyone who wants free cloud storage without paying immediately. Number 3, file sharing. Mega makes sharing files very easy. You can share links, add password protection, set expiration dates, control permissions. This is useful for creators, teams, and freelancers sending large files online. Sync and backup. Mega includes automatic sync across devices and backup tools for folders, photos, and important files. Desktop app works similarly to Dropbox or Google Drive. You can keep files synced between multiple devices without much setup. Cross platform support. Mega works on almost every major platform, and the apps are generally simple to use. The interface is clean and modern, although sometimes slightly slower than competitors when handling huge folders. Pros. Strong privacy. Mega is one of the best mainstream cloud storage services for encryption and privacy. Large free storage. The free plan is one of the most generous available. Secure sharing options. Password protected links and encrypted sharing are very useful. Good cross platform apps. Apps are available almost everywhere. Useful for large files. Mega is popular for sharing large videos and files online. Cons. Speed can be inconsistent. Upload and download speeds can sometimes feel slower than Google Drive or Dropbox depending on your location. Transfer limits. Free users may hit transfer limits, especially with large downloads. Collaboration tools are limited. Mega is not ideal for advanced team collaboration or office productivity. Google Workspace and Microsoft OneDrive are much better for that. Interface can feel basic. While clean, the interface lacks some advanced productivity features competitors offer. Pricing. Mega offers both free and paid plans. The paid plans mainly increase storage space, transfer limits, advanced features. For most casual users, the free plan is enough to test the platform before upgrading. But if you regularly upload large files or need lots of storage, a paid plan makes more sense. Who should use Mega? Mega is best for privacy focused users, people who want large free cloud storage, users sharing large files online, freelancers and students, anyone wanting encrypted cloud storage. It may not be the best choice for large business teams. It may not be the best choice for heavy collaboration workflows. It may not be also the best choice for users deeply connected to Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Conclusion and final verdict. So is Mega the best cloud storage option? For privacy and free storage, Mega is definitely one of the strongest options available. Its encryption features, secure sharing tools, and generous free plan make it very attractive for personal use. However, if your main focus is collaboration, office tools, or maximum speed, services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive may still be better choices. Overall, Mega is an excellent option for users who value privacy and secure storage first. And that's it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, consider subscribing, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos about reviews and comparisons, share this video to your friends, and let me know down below in the comments which cloud storage service you prefer using in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.